Hello again. Storm Jocelyn fairly packed a punch as it moved across our shores through the course of last night and this morning. To give you an idea of the sum of gusts of wind that we had, in Capel a gust of 97 miles an hour was recorded, South Uist 74 miles an hour, and Northolt in southern England 54 mile an hour gusts. Now this is Storm Jocelyn here, this area of low pressure. It's pulling away, and as it does so, look at the isobars. They're still squeezed across the north and the east, but they open out across the south and the west. So basically that means the wind will ease from the south and the west, and it's still going to be pretty windy through the course of the day across the north and the east in particular. There'll be a lot of dry weather around today as well. Some hazy sunshine, but later on what you'll find is a new weather front will bring in some cloud and some patchy rain and drizzle, and temperatures down a touch on yesterday. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight period, under clear skies in the north, we'll have a touch of frost, the risk of ice, some mist and fog for a time, but our weather front pushing steadily northwards is going to introduce more cloud and also this rain and drizzle and murky conditions following behind in the southwest. But here we're importing milder air, and that milder air is coming in the southwesterly wind behind this warm front which is pushing northwards. So the southwesterly wind's a mild direction, and you can see how the milder conditions push across the whole of the British Isles as we go through the course of tomorrow, as represented by the yellows. As well as that, it's going to be a fairly cloudy day tomorrow for most, with the rain continuing to advance northwards. Still hanging on to the murky low cloud hill fog, for example coastal fog in the southwest, with some showers around as well, but much milder than we're looking at today. We've got temperatures ranging largely from 10 to 13 degrees. Then as we head on into Friday, the wintry showers to start with in the west peter out as a ridge of high pressure starts to build in. And for many of us, it's going to be a sunny day, a fine day and settled, and it will also feel fresher, the temperatures slipping down once again. Then as we move on into the weekend, while a slight change in the forecast in that it's looking drier and a bit more settled now. However, we are expecting further wet and windy weather at times across the north and the west.